Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Ulanzi VL49 RGB mini video light. Let's go! So I don't know why I purchased this item. I think it was more of a spontaneous buy because it's quite cheap, but maybe I can use it for some backdrop lighting. So the light is rechargeable using a USB-C lead they provide for you in the box. Instruction manual. Okay, so time for the camera. So really, the camera is great value for money. The camera itself is affordable, light and compact. Quite plasticky, but has some nice cold shoe mounts on the side. Okay, I'm going to talk more about the features of the light. So when set to RGB mode, you can choose between all colours of the rainbow. Really cool feature is that the light itself is actually magnetic. Very useful when you need to attach it to metal objects to help with filming. And also you've got different types of mode effects, like for example, cop car, ambulance, fire engine. The light has a long battery life. It's said that when the battery is fully charged, you can use the lamp between 2 to 10 hours, depending on the brightness setting. Also, the light has an adjustable color temperature. So the lamp also has white and yellow LED lights, allowing you to set the temperature anywhere between 250,000 K and 9,000 K, yellow to white. So my overall opinion is that I think the light is great value for money. It's lightweight, compact, good features, a nice variety of settings. And for the price, I don't think you can beat that. I'll leave a link below in the description of where I purchased this. Thank you for watching guys, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. See you next video.